strung together 5 singles. They scored 3 times again on base. He unloaded a 449-foot home run last night. Right side, and it makes the seats. Inside, a ball and a drive down the left field line, and it lands just foul.
See, this ball had a little hook on it.
A drive down the left field line, and it lands just foul.
See, this ball had a little hook on it.
And Quantrill's 1-2 pitch taken outside. Full count. He takes off. Judge swing and misses. The throw from Hedges skips into center field, but Torres is going to stay at second base. And for the 9th time in this series, Judge strikes out.
Guardians, good jump by Torres. A gamble.
I mean, he'd like to contribute. Here's Judge taking ball 1. He'd like to be the 1-0 pitch to Judge, who struck out his first time. Seats down the right field line. In the air to right, Gonzalez scarcely faced Judge for a 3rd time and tempt fate. He would for the heroics in the bottom half by the Guardians, where they scored 3 and turned a 0-2 pitch to Judge, way outside. Judge hits one up the middle, able to beat this out. Yes. Jimenez did all he could. And the slugger.
Well, we talked
to Stanton. A drive to is going to change the scoreboard. Kwan runs it down on the track. Judge tags. Rizzo will hold second. 4-2 Yankee. They can be pretty precise about it. Judge. And that's the second out. He asked him to go 2 innings. 2 pitch. Breaking deep left. Kwan not quite to the track.
He's got it off the end. The cutter, middle of the plate up.